Heck yeah.
Welcome to the Range Rocket, dude.
Yeah. Yep.
One of my that was one of my captains and his wife that we just saw. Yeah. But his son Nick, on the first day they were skiing, cracked his pelvis. Yeah. Had to go. No. Thinks he probably hit a rock. Fell and hit a rock.
Hello, ma'am. Are you going to
Hello, Hayden. Yes, we're going to say hello.
Hello, ma'am. Okay. We never got our free hot chocolate.
It's not time yet.
Where's the hot chocolate?
Never mind, my bad. That's no, nice.
She answered her own question.
Hayden was saying about going skating tonight.
Yeah.
Down there.
Yeah.
Go down before dinner or after dinner?
Probably after. I would
Because
think.
stay down for the fireworks, the DJ.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what time should we head over to yours? About 4:35?
Yeah, that
It is?
sounds great.
Yeah. Yes, 7 head over there.
Yeah.
And this has no beaver footprint.
Is this a hoop? Gotta hold the microphone away from your mouth.
Say that again?
This girl's a bit scared. I do it all the time. Gotta hold the mic further away from your mouth.
My bad. Did you hear what I said there?
No, what'd you say? Oh, the elusive snowbee. I wish I knew how to turn that little beep off, because that's the worst part. Yeah, like over at Gem Lake on the bottom, the trees don't even have snow on them.
Wow.
It's lean, like you can see logs in the bush, and yeah, it's lean over there. Ooh, nice one.
In Japan, they had the blue going down and the green was just like the cat track going across.
Yeah.
So it wasn't like, that was just too boring, so it was just like, you know, pretty hard blue or just a cat track. At least here the greens are actually pretty good runs.
There are
It's a
some
nice
really
run,
there's
like Serwers and the one with Miller's Maze or
Millie's Mile?
something. That was
Yeah.
good on it this morning. Jess was like, oh, it's so good.
oh
At least it's
good.
a run, like
Well,
Japan.
and the
I'm
nice-
sure there's other places to go. But,
The
yeah,
nice
so
thing too
much
is like
nicer.
off the edges of the green, like the trees are lots of fun, and there's something like even if a green isn't really for you, there's something that you can find to be entertained with, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And like I said before too, as the season goes on, the greens get more and more fun because they really, like the cats really profile them and really like
Yeah,
push the
push it up.
sides and yeah, they're super
Oh, so
fun.
they control that, the cats. They
Oh,
sort
yeah.
of design it.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, especially when you get a good team of cat drivers, they can make some pretty fun runs. Yeah. We've got a couple on Seymour that they do a lot of like moving and oh, they're so fun. They're like border cross tracks. They start like they've got some pretty good natural profile to them, but then they like kind of, enhance it. And
That whiskey one this morning, it was like, yeah, it goes, oh, and you just, woof, and you do your
get
turn
that- yeah.
while you're going down.
yeah,
Like,
you get that waveless.
it's
Yeah.
like, edge, get the edge.
Right? And touchdown.
Yeah.
I know, it's Whiskey Jack's fun.
There's no one around. You just ski like edge to like just ski it. Like,
So fun.
I tried to
right?
do that with Jess Hare, the Dave Murray downhill. It's not that as in I try to ski it like a downhill. I do like 10 turns for one of theirs.
Totally,
I'm
totally.
like, okay, let's do this. I'm like, oh my god, I'm going too fast. It's
Yeah.
Like all these dicky little turns.
Their
They must
skis
go
are
so
also like designed to go fast. Yeah, they just like they hold that
Hold that
rail.
line.
Yeah, no, there's no chatter in them. They're stiff as. And they've got that like sort of the big spoon, tight waist on them, and then sort of the tails
Also,
on them.
pop up the other day saying Milan's not ready for the Olympics, for the Winter Olympics. Why the Italians just, they're like, oh shit, we're in the Olympics next week.
Oh,
Do something.
better finish it.
Should I?
I think it's getting to the point where they need to almost pick like 6 winter destinations, 6 summer destinations,
Yeah, just keep
and they
rotating.
just yeah.
Really good facility.
Yeah. The
Accommodation
places with the
facilities.
best snow,
Yeah.
the best,
Infrastructure.
infrastructure, the best, ability to have everybody, fly in, fly out. Like, let's not choose China.
Yeah,
That
so
was-
you won't do that because they want all the perks and the money and the bribes and all that. Like, make it that sort of special, like, oh,
Yeah.
we're the Olympics, leave this legacy behind.
The Commonwealth Games is so good for us. All the basketball courts, netball.
Yeah, 2010 Olympics were great.
Yeah, the Olympics were great for
you guys
Vancouver.
too.
Yeah. They've done an amazing job with the Richmond Oval. So it was the speed skating track, but Richmond's not stable enough to, maintain that speed skating track out there. So it's turned into like multiple ice rinks and multiple basketball courts and volleyball courts and like a big training facility. And, it's just turned into this fantastic community center.
Big Randy just befriended some Kiwi kids on the hockey last night.
Great.
They saw them.